Ever wished splitting the bill was easier than silent math under the table? We've all been there. Dinner with friends, a spontaneous weekend getaway, even chipping in for a last-minute birthday gift, moments where the age-old question of who has cash pops up. Thankfully, the digital age has brought us solutions like Zelle, a money transfer service that lets you send and receive funds directly between bank accounts in the U.S. But with all the banking apps and financial lingo out there, setting up Zelle can feel a bit daunting. Fear not, fellow money wranglers. This video will be your one-stop guide to adding Zelle to your bank account and getting started with stress-free money transfers. Here's the thing, Zelle isn't a standalone app. It's actually integrated directly with many popular banks and credit unions in the U.S. So, the first step is to check if your bank already offers Zelle. Most banks will advertise this feature prominently on their website or mobile app. You can also find a list of participating financial institutions on the Zelle website itself. Now, if your bank is on board the Zelle train, you're in luck. Adding Zelle typically involves a quick and easy enrollment process through your bank's mobile app or online banking platform. The exact steps might vary slightly depending on your bank, but the general process usually involves logging into your mobile banking app or online banking portal. Finding the money transfer section, look for terms like send money or P2P transfers, peer-to-peer. Selecting Zelle from the available options, if your bank offers it. Entering your enrollment information, this typically involves your U.S. mobile number or email address linked to your bank account. Verifying your identity, your bank might send a one-time code via text message or email for confirmation. Voila! You've just added Zelle to your bank account. Now, let's explore how to actually use it for sending and receiving money. Once enrolled, you'll be able to access Zelle within your mobile banking app. The interface might differ slightly depending on your bank, but generally, you'll find options to send money. Here, you'll input the recipient's email address or U.S. mobile number linked to their Zelle account. Double-check these details to avoid sending money to the wrong person. You'll also enter the amount you want to send and add a brief description, optional but helpful. Request money. This option allows you to generate a request for a specific amount from another Zelle user. They'll receive a notification and can easily approve the request to transfer the funds to your account. Remember, Zelle transactions typically happen in minutes, making it a super convenient option for splitting bills, paying rent to a friend, or even getting that emergency loan from your sibling. We've all been there. Here are some additional points to keep in mind while using Zelle. Security. Zelle emphasizes the importance of only sending money to people you know and trust. Never share your Zelle enrollment information with anyone, and be wary of requests from unknown senders. Limits. Most banks have daily and monthly limits on the amount you can send and receive through Zelle. Check with your bank for their specific limits. Fees. While Zelle itself doesn't typically charge fees, your bank might have its own transaction fees for sending or receiving money. It's always best to check your bank's policy beforehand. That said, with its ease of use and speed, Zelle can be a game-changer for managing everyday money transfers. So, ditch the awkward cash exchanges and embrace the convenience of digital payments with Zelle. Thanks for watching, and until next time.